TAI Hürkuş. The TAI Hürkuş is a tandem two-seat low-wing, single-engine, turboprop aircraft being developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries as a new basic trainer and ground attack aircraft for the Turkish Armed Forces. The aircraft is named after TAI Hürkuş, a World War I and Turkish Independence War veteran pilot, a Turkish aviation pioneer, and the first Turkish airplane manufacturer. Variants TAI Hürkuş. Basic version, which has been certified with ESA according to CS23 requirements. It is intended for the civilian market. In 2016, the Hürkuş 8 trainer aircraft was awarded a CS23 validation type certificate by the European Aviation Safety Agency and an aircraft type certificate by the Turkish Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Design and development. TAI plans to offer another version of the Hürkuş to support the Turkish Coast Guard's maritime patrol operations. The aircraft's rear seat would be occupied by an operator for a FLIR sensor using an Aselsan FLIR system. Coast Guard version. TAI Hürkuş development program started with an agreement signed between Turkish Undersecretariat for Defense Industries and TAI in March 2006. Under the agreement, the company will design, manufacture and complete the civil certification the aircraft to European Aviation Safety Agency CS23 standards.